everything.
Hey guys, welcome to i10's YouTube channel.
Sunborn. Today we're taking a road trip from Gauteng to Eastern Cape. Okay, I'm lying. We had to go to Eastern Cape, and the only available car was this Hyundai Grand i10. When I started the channel, I did a review on a Grand i10 2015 model, and today I'm going to experience a 2022 model with the hope of getting my hands on the latest model. An updated full review of the new Grand i10 is coming. I don't know where I'm gonna get the sedan one, but the Lord will provide. Stay tuned. Here's a quick summary of where we are going. Mama Gauteng, which you'll see shortly, she will be driving from Kempton Park to Montrose in Free State. That is about 3 hours 14-minute drive on the N3. I will then start driving from Montrose to Pietermaritzburg for 2 hours 21 minutes. From Pietermaritzburg, we drive straight to Kokstad Mount Carey Inn. That's gonna take us close to 3 hours. Then I will drive to Mount Alief. From Mount Alief, we head straight to our destination, Eskundwanini. Asbangen. Now back to the car of the moment. The Grand i10 is a small car with a 1.2-liter engine. My friend warned me that I must not expect much performance from it, but it will behave on the road and take us to our destination. For the sake of this video, let us give our driver here a name. Let us call her Mama Gauteng. Mama Gauteng drove us from Kempton Park to Montrose in Free State. Before she even exited Gauteng, she got stopped twice by the traffic cops. Namke ndabe ndisithi makangayicingi kukude apho siya khona. But ke masingamoneli uMama Gauteng. She is such a good driver. Even though at times I was stepping on some imaginary brake pedals on the passenger's side. The Grand i10 is a small car with a 1.2-liter engine. My friend warned me that I must not expect much performance from it, but it will take us to our destination. As you can see on the screen, the car we're driving is an automatic car. I'm not a fan of automatic cars simply because, number one, they're expensive. Currently, the new Grand i10 manual transmission is going for 224,900, and the automatic one is going for 269,900. That's a difference of 45,000 rands. Number two, automatic cars control themselves. And my last reason is I believe that a car must be a manual car. Who knows? Maybe I'm still growing in this field of cars. Let's talk about the most important factor, which is fuel. The Grand i10 has a fuel tank of 37 liters. We poured full tank from Gauteng. That was around 800 rands. Please forgive me, I'm going to round off all the figures to make it easy for everyone to understand. We pushed and pushed and pushed until we got to Montrose. When we got to Montrose, we topped up with 200 rands. The location you are seeing on the screen right now is in Kokstad. This is the biggest garage in Kokstad, and this is in KZN. We topped up with 400 rands so that we can get to our destination, and then when we come back to Gauteng, we can come back to the same garage, top up again, and head to Gauteng. Fast forward, as we left Gauteng around 5 p.m. yesterday, which was Friday, we arrived at home Ezilalini at 5 a.m. We took an hour nap and then attended the funeral we came back for. Upper Ezilalini Mountfrey. Our main road is just a very rough gravel road, very bumpy road. Luckily, the road wasn't wet, otherwise we were going to face a huge challenge passing some areas. The i10 responded so well on the gravel road. The only thing that I was concerned about was it's just a small car fit. In these roads, are not meant for such cars. There are potholes everywhere and filled with water, so you don't really know how deep the pothole is. You just have to duck them by all means necessary. The bridges in the lollies are like this. It's not the bridge whereby two cars can pass at the same time. No, one has to wait on the other side while the other crosses. Nansi imoto, Devuma. I am complimenting this car at all angles. Don't mind that it's a small car, small engine, blah blah. If you wish this to be your starter pack car, I'd say go for it. You will never go wrong. After the funeral service, we decided to get our own space as young people. I was tired of driving, so I asked Umkaya to drive so long. It was her first time driving in a gravel road, and shame she really enjoyed the experience. The speed she was driving at was maximum of 40 kilometers per hour, but then I always told her that to go way below that. This is a gravel road. We cannot speed up with this car in a gravel road. Tractors, yeah, they can, or SUVs such as that car that is approaching us right now, they can speed up. Bafete Eastern Cape siyahlupeka. Look at the condition of this main road. It connects Emanfre na Samatatiela, but no one really uses it because of its bad condition. Before we go back to Gauteng, let me tell you some of the nice features of this car. You get a touch screen that connects Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Manual air condition controls, electrical controlled windows. You get a multifunctional steering wheel. There are 2 airbags in front, a touch of a red color. I don't know if there are any other colors. And at the back, the space is fine. It is just fine. Sunday morning, we woke up very early for our 12-hour trip. We filled up with an average of 400 rands. Remember, we had petrol when we went, and then now we're just topping up. The petrol lasted us until a few kilometers to Johannesburg. Then we topped up again with like 200 rands so that we can make it to Joburg without getting stuck on the way. Bafethu masivale into bithethwa. If you want to get yourself the Grand i10 as your starter pack, you can go for it. Trust me, you will never go wrong. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Danko.